We have some more breaking news that's coming in. Political war rages on over deportation row after Chief Minister Maan. Congress has attacked the centre. Congress has asked every illegal immigrant if they're from Punjab. Congress asks why is the plane landing only in Amritsar. Congress says centre is trying to defame and humiliate Punjab.
ये देश का स्वाभिमान कितना ज्यादा गिरता है कि आप बेड़ियां लगा के, हथकड़ियां लगा के, उनको जलील करके 40-40 घंटे आप उनको शौचालय नहीं जाने दीजिए। ये जो पंजाब की टारगेटिंग है, ये दिल्ली को हर बारी महंगी पड़ी है। और बुनियादी बात ये है कि मुगलों के समय से ना दिल्ली ने पंजाब को कभी समझा है और ना ही कहीं समझ पाएगी।
My colleague Aman Bhardwaj is joining us live on the broadcast for more on this. Aman, we're seeing a showdown that's happening over deportation of illegal immigrants, Indian immigrants from the United States, with Punjab Congress hitting out at the centre, and now Congress MP Manish Tiwari also hitting out at the centre, saying they're trying to defame Punjab, trying to humiliate Punjab. Give us more details on what exactly is said and what this entire showdown is about.
Well, exactly, and because today also Bhagwant Mann, Chief Minister of Punjab, is here in Amritsar, and he's meeting the airport authorities as well, and he'll receive all the illegal immigrants that are coming today at the flight, in the flight of 10 p.m. today. And also he says that it's been defaming Punjab by such acts, and also there are illegal immigrants of other states as well. There are people from Rajasthan, Gujarat, Haryana, and other states as well. So why this aircraft is being landed here in Amritsar? But what BJP reacts, like RP Singh has recently tweeted on this, that Amritsar is the nearest place to whenever any flight enters India. So Amritsar is the only airport which comes first. So that is the reason that it's been chosen among other airports for the illegal immigrants. And also in Puja, Haryana and Punjab, Amritsar is the only airport which from where the flights for international airports are operated. So that is the reason Amritsar is chosen among other airports. And also the list which we have accessed today, there are 67 people from Punjab, followed by Haryana, 30 something, and then for tomorrow, the flight that's coming on Sunday night, there are 157 people, out of which 59 are from Haryana, 52 are from Punjab, and then Gujarat. So you see that approx 100 people in both the flights today and tomorrow are majorly from Haryana and Punjab. So that could be the reason that Amritsar Amritsar airport is being used for landing the aircraft. But politics is what we are seeing, that political class is commenting on the issue, that their legs are being chained, they are handcuffed. So there should be a better treatment to this illegal immigrants. That's what people are commenting. But today we have to see that when the aircraft lands, so how these illegal immigrants are treated, how they are taken back, because also BJP demands that their land should be in Punjab, because most of the immigrants they were traveling through the donkey route, so they sell out their land, they borrowed money from their relatives, so their money, whether from immigration agents, or their land which they sold out, that should be recovered. They should be given back to the people, and they should be helped out by the government side. So we have to see when they come back what promises government make and what political claims that comes out today.
Absolutely. Thanks, Aman, for bringing us all those details on that story. A political war is raging on over the deportation row, with after Chief Minister Maan hitting out, Congress has attacked the centre, saying why is every illegal immigrant from Punjab and why is the plane landing only in Amritsar?